大家好，我是 Richard，我来自台湾，现在是早上9:36，今天是星期天，今天是礼拜天，今天是周日，早安，早上好，很高兴认识你们。今天呢，我要讲的主题是遥控器 （remote control）。Okay, I'll translate what I have said into English. Okay, I'm Richard and I'm from Taiwan. It is 9:36 a.m. in Taiwan, and hopefully you have a very nice day. Hello, Omar. It's very nice to see you. And today is today is Sunday, and the topic I'm going to talk about is word remote control. How to say remote control in Chinese? Then let's talk about it. Okay, I'll switch my camera right now. Okay, everyone knows that this is a remote control. How to say remote control in Chinese? Okay, then let's see. Okay, remote control. You can also learn some English in my lesson, okay, in my class. Okay, 遥控器，遥控器。Okay, let's read it again. 遥控器。Once again, slowly. 遥控器，遥控器。Okay, actually, I should explain word by word for you. Okay, actually, 遥 in Chinese means like far away or remote. So that's the original meaning of the word 遥. And 控, actually in Chinese, 控 means control. Control. Okay, so you know the meaning is exactly the same as English. Okay, and 器, 器 is like machine. Okay, 机器 machine. 器 machine. So in Chinese, 遥控器 sounds like remote control machine. Something like that. And of course we know this is remote control. 遥控器，遥控器，遥控器。Okay, then I'll give you another adjective in Chinese so we can make a good sentence in Chinese. Okay, 方便，方便，方便 means convenient. Is an adjective in Chinese. 方便，方便 convenient. 方便，方便。Okay, right now I'll read a sentence here. 遥控器很方便。Actually, the word 很. Hello, Mohammed Ali. Very nice to see you here. And the word 很 here, 很means very. Okay, you should know this word. It is a very important adverb in Chinese. We use this word for every adjective. Okay, 很 very. Okay, 很 very. And the 遥控器, of course, that's remote control in Chinese. 很 very, 方便 convenient. So this sentence, if you want to translate that into into English, and that should be a remote control is convenient. Okay, a remote control, 遥控器 is actually convenient, 很方便，很方便。Okay, I'll read the sentence again. 遥控器很方便。This sentence is not so hard, and you can memorize it because this is a very useful sentence in Chinese, and it is not so hard to learn. Okay, 遥控器 remote control 很方便 very convenient. 遥控器很方便 A remote control is convenient. Once again, 遥 控器，遥控器很方便，遥控器很方便。Okay, that's the lesson today. Hopefully you can learn some simple words in Chinese, and hopefully we learn a little every day, and we learn a little every day. We improve our Chinese every day. Slowly and gradually will make a difference. Okay, so see you next time. 再见，拜拜。